Hello everyone, thank you for checking out this video. You are with Coach Jordan from Territory Academy. Right now, we are going to be solving this question together. For this lesson, we will be trying to make use of this information given in the question, the fact that the product of these three numbers, A, B, and C, must be equals to 1. Right? So let's see how we can make use of this to solve our question over here. So they tell us that A, B, and C are all positive numbers and their product is equals to 1. So as much as possible, we're going to try and take advantage of this. Now, as of this moment, none of our fractions here contain this expression A, B, C, right? So our first priority will be try to introduce this by one way or another into our three various fractions over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to multiply the first fraction by B times C, such that this becomes my numerator, and my denominator, I will have to multiply each of these terms by B times C. Alright, so this is what I will have, and for my second fraction over here, I'm actually going to leave it as it is. So I'll just write that down. Whereas for my third fraction, I'll multiply by B. Alright, and you'll see why in a bit, such that CA now becomes ABC, C becomes BC, and 1 becomes B, equals to 1. Alright, so taking a look at our first fraction, right, you should see that ABC appears here, AB and C appears here, ABC appears here as well. So for every instance of ABC, we can replace that with simply 1. Right? And therefore, this will be what you'll be left with. Alright, and for my second fraction, it stays the same. And for my third fraction, I see another instance of the product of A, B, and C, and therefore I can replace it as well. So that will give us 1 plus BC plus B equals to 1. Alright, so all of those transformations were in fact intentional, because now notice that all my three denominators are in fact of the same value. Alright, that means that we can now begin to add all three fractions together. Alright, so we're adding 2x plus 2bx plus 2bcx, in which we could factorize out 2x from each of the terms such that we have 1 plus b plus bc all over 1 plus b plus bc. And at this stage, it shouldn't be hard to recognize that this expression is exactly the same as the 1 in your denominator, and therefore they'll be able to cancel each other out, leaving us with a simple equation of 2x equals to 1, and therefore x must be equals to half. And this would be your final answer. So for equations like this, just to recap, when they give you a piece of information such as this, and they're asking you to solve the equation in terms of x, it might actually not be necessary for us to determine the individual values of the constants A, B, and C. Alright? So therefore, we're going to try and introduce as many ABCs as possible, such that our equation becomes simpler to deal with. We have completed this lesson. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Goodbye, and see you again in another lesson.
If you would like to learn more from these tutorials, please smash that like and subscribe button.